What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. I just want to give you a quick update. I did a video last week, which was a little bit late, about how I moved everything and I get all my stock out, get my stock out of here for Christmas and everything. Now it's Black Friday. Today is the 25th, of November, and we have early Black Friday was last week and this week. So today is Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to all my US people, for all hold a second, holy crap, for all the people who are having Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are very having a great time with the family. I'm very thankful for you guys watching these videos, and I hope you guys are really learning something, one or two things that can help you to create a little bit of extra income, or making an extra $500 or $1,000 a month, which is really going to help you. I really believe you can do even more than that, but hey, take it slow, make sure that you learn everything, and then you'll be able to jump into it. So I want to give you a quick update what I bought last week, which is last week started Black Friday a little bit early, and also what I bought today, which is Thursday, which is also they have Black Friday. They had in Walmart and Toys R Us, they had a lot of Black Friday specials, which is early on toys. So I want to show you also what I bought there, but let me give you a quick update here. So if you guys see, that was all empty in the last video. Now it's being filled again. That's the name of the game, is basically whatever money that you get or profit that I get, I just put it back in and back in and back in and back in. And I will show you now in my car, which is completely full. I stocked up in all these. These are $25. You'll make really good money, but I know they're very hard for them to come back on stock, or to have a special on them. To have 50% is really great. And also, as you see, guys, I'm started to experiment into groceries. So I did a lot of chocolate, the things I eat, I guess, and also some cereal. And I just sent a lot of grocery stuff last week, so I'll let you know how that goes. It's something new to me, so I just put like around $4,000. Let me see how it goes. Let me learn the groceries category, because I'm a big believer into sticking to one niche and stick to it, know everything about it, and then before you jump into another niche. So now, since the toys, I'm really good at it. I know what I'm buying. I know what kind of brands that I need to buy, what moves, what doesn't move, what good in themes. I know the Legos very well. I know all this building modules. I know all the stuff that, you know, is like a creeper basically, but I know my shit, and I think we're gonna do very well, and we're doing very well, to be honest with you. Everything that we shipped in, we're selling really great every month, every day, and every month we're doing really good numbers, and we're beating every numbers that we have from last month. We're beating them every month, which is really good. That's a great progress. I know it's gonna slow down in February, but I'm ready for even January, because it's gonna be a lot of sales is gonna happen. And also, as you see, guys, December, I'm ready for it, which is have a lot of stuff. I'm gonna ship also a lot of things this weekend. I'm going to pack a lot of things that I can and ship them and see what happens. So let me show you a little bit what I have in the car. So just, Mike, you wanna go in the car? Just give me a second. Oh boy. Oh boy. So let me show you. Whoa, no, just I'll tell you why we're not doing. Let me just show you a little bit. This is all the stuff that I bought today. I filled up everything. I cannot do anything, and I'll show you the back also. Just lower the window a bit, a little bit, just to see. It's to the rim. There is nothing here. Everything is filled. And let me show you a little bit in the back what we have. You ready? Boom. All that also is filled up to the rim. Let me show you. I need to take them all in, so give me a second. Can you do it?
Yeah, 1 sec.
It's just, we're really packed. I can't even get to the liver, not the one that you eat, the lever or whatever. Yeah, hold a second. Okay, let's open. Look at that, just for you guys to see. It's full, and all the stuff is full. So that's all the things that we got, and we were very lucky to get some mixies, which is really happy about them. I was able to get 7 of them. They're really good profit, so I'm very, very happy about that. So let me move everything to the inside, and then I'll continue. I'll show you what I bought, and hopefully you guys can get some deals in near store. And also tomorrow, as you guys know, is Black Friday. I know maybe this video goes late a bit, maybe it's too late, but I hope you guys are really doing your Friday. It's going to be specials from Black Friday and continuing even next week and the week after, so you have no reason not to buy stuff. So let me move all the stuff and I'll get back to you. All right, guys, I'm back again. I just emptied everything. This is actually my second video, so I'm a little bit pissed because I've almost done, and then I realized I didn't press the record button. I was just talking to the camera like an idiot. So that's been said, I'm gonna be in your eyes, and let's go ahead and do it. So for you it was 2 seconds, but for me it was a heart attack and a stroke to finish all that. But let's see what happens. Here is empty, which is great. And also, if you look here, it's all empty and nice. So let me show you what I got today. I got all this stuff. Now the whole storage is being filled again, which is last video you saw it, guys, was almost empty, but now it's filling up again. So let me show you what I got and what I was interested in. I found this in Costco. They had them for 30 bucks. These advent calendars, guys, they never replenish again. They just come for the Christmas time, and then they just don't replenish them. These, a lot of you are going to tell me, oh my God, you're not going to be able to sell them, or you're too late because by the time they get there, you're not going to be able to sell them. These, they're going to sell no matter what, even next year, because people use them. They're collectible. They're very hard to get. They're only one-time thing, and you'll be able to make really good money with them. So I already bought these, all of them, and I already sent over 35 or 40 of them, and they're selling right now for 100 bucks. So it is what it is. The same thing with the Hot Wheels. They're very collectible. A lot of people use these not only for Christmas, guys. People use them for to mark their kids. So if the kids behave well, they give them one. If they don't behave well, they don't give them one. So it's like, what they call that? Mark sheet or whatever. Chart for them. If they do something good, they give them one a day. If they do well, if it's not, rewards, like a reward system. I stocked up a lot on these. If you guys see, I bought a lot of them. These are really the special ones. Look how thick they are. Not the half one, the small ones, the regular ones that are for 20 bucks. These are 20 bucks, but for a special, they were half off. So they were for 10 bucks. I guarantee you these right now, if you sell them at what Amazon's selling them at 35 bucks, you'll make 6-7 bucks. Once Amazon run out of stock, you'll be able to make at least 10-15 bucks minimum. So I bought a lot of them. The sales velocity is great. The rank is just phenomenal. So I bought a lot of them at 10 bucks. They never come by. I source every day. Not every day. I source every week. And I'm telling you, I never was able to find these sets. And they will never come for that special. Maybe 25%, 20%, but they never go for 50%. So I stocked up on these. The same thing with these. The Pokemon Mega Construct, or Construction, I call them. These are the same thing. Half off. If you sell them at Amazon price, which is selling them at regular price right now, $50, you still make $14, which is really great. But I stocked up on them because I know they're very hard to replenish. And also, even if Amazon comes on them, it's still 50 bucks, which is there on. I'm still profitable. So it's never waste money on this. The same thing, these guys already, I had them from before, so I'm just replenishing because the plan was not to buy, to ship all the stuff that I bought here. But because Black Friday, I wanted to go ham because my business doesn't stop. Our business keep going the whole year. Our business doesn't stop only December. It's continued January, February, the whole year. So even if I get stuff that they don't sell during Christmas or during like December time, January is going to sell. February is going to sell some. So having a stock for a cheap price is very good for you to hold into them. If they sell, is great. If they don't, at least you have stock to continue your momentum, to continue your revenue, to continue your income. So that's very important for you to buy and keep buying all the time. It never stops. It never stops. Anyways, these ones was last week Black Friday special, the early Black Friday special. I ordered 2 of them online and I bought 3 of them retail, which is, I actually found these this week. So last week I couldn't find anything. I just ordered 2 of them online, but I went and I got some later on, which is before yesterday, I believe. The same thing with these guys. I don't know why they had them for special. These usually, they're just brand new. They just came in, and for some reason, the store that I went to, they had them for half off. So I was able to get them for $15 instead of $30. So I'm very happy with that. The same thing with these. These you can make $10 right now. These from Toys R Us, they have a special, daily specials, and these were half off. Instead of 25, they were $12, which is really great. This one also, I've got them from not from Lego.com. This is actually, I got them from Walmart. I got a lot of them. I sold them. If you go to Legos, they will only let you buy 2 of them. So when you go to Walmart, you can buy more, which is awesome. Let me show you this. This is really hard to get toy, and I think one of the year's toy or whatever crap is. This one, it's really good. I got it for $20. I shipped a lot of them, and they were selling, and I was making $15. So I got 6 of them. It's very hard to get, but I got them. It is what it is. I was able. So buy the look. This one trick. Every time you go to the stores, you'll be able to find more stuff. Even yesterday, one they didn't have. Today they had some. So you're gonna keep a habit. Like the same thing I'm gonna show you now. These stuff, the Magic Mixies, they didn't have any. Every day I go, there's nothing. But today was luckily, I was sitting there and I saw them in front of me, and I bought all what they had. They didn't have much. They had 4. The other store had 3, and that's it. But anyways, these ones also, I bought them half off. Instead of $150, I got them for $70, which is really good deal. They still make $80 to $100 each. Very easy to ship. You can put the shipping label and ship them if you want, or if you want to go the extra mile and wrap them and then put the shipping label, is great. I bought some today with Retail Arbitrage, and I ordered some last night. I ordered 5 of them online, which is they're going to come in. And this is one of the strategies that you guys need to pay attention to. If you do Black Friday, don't set your mind that, hey, I'm gonna buy everything retail. No, split your purchases. Whatever you can get online, get it before you run out of stock, and then the rest you can go for a hunt and try to find them. But do not just say, you know what, I'm gonna buy everything when I go to the store tomorrow. If it's busy the store or they don't have enough stock, you're gonna be sorry. So for me, I split my purchases. I buy some online and some retail arbitrage. So for example, these, all of them, I bought some online arbitrage, which is I ordered them. I received them in boxes, which is easy for me to relabel and ship them back in. And some of them I got them retail arbitrage, which is I went to the store and I bought them myself. But anyways, let's keep going, and I'll show you the deal that I got of the day, which is really awesome. These are very good deals. I'm very happy. I sold maybe 30 of them, and now I got 7. I don't think I'm gonna find more of them, but these are good. The same thing, these are half off. This is half off. This actually, we got very lucky with them because they go for on Amazon for $100, and I've got them for $35. You make easy $40-50 minimum. Excuse me. These ones also, I bought a lot of them last month. We bought like what, 40 of them. I shipped them and I sold them all, and now these are I just got them. I just was surprised that Toys R Us has them for half off again. So Toys R Us now, I know you guys in the States maybe don't have, you don't have Toys R Us to begin with, but if you have Toys R Us, now we're having daily deals. So every day they have a special on a specific item, and it happened today I was there and they had them for half off, so I bought what I can. Now this is the deal that I'm really great. If you guys remember, I had a lot of them here. I had a lot of them here. I had some here, but I shipped them and I bought them at $15. Today I go and I find them for $3. Look at that. $3. They sold on Amazon for $44. And $3. I couldn't resist. I bought them all what they had in stock. Maybe, I don't know, 20 maybe we would say. 20, 25, yeah, whatever it is. And that's it. So guys, that's been said, I just want to give you a quick update. I'm very busy during this time, which is the time that I make the most money. That's the time where I need to hustle, keep hustling, and keep doing things that necessary to make the most or can maximize my profit as much as I can is this month. So for me, I'm busy. That's why I didn't release any video. And to be honest with you, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just sharing my story with you. I hope you guys really like it. I hope you guys are benefiting. I hope you guys going out there hustling, especially today. Enjoy your time with your family, with Thanksgiving, and tomorrow go ahead and do Black Friday shopping. Whether you do it online, whether you do it retail, it's up to you. Whatever you feel comfortable, go ahead and do it. For me, I like retail because I'm more in touch, I'll be able to touch things. I don't know, I'm touchy, I guess, and I'll be really good. And that's it. So let me show you this one also. I forgot to show you this. See all this retail arbitrage, online arbitrage. I bought sabers. I have here and here, and there's 2 are actually coming as well. So anyways, guys, I hope that was a good quick update for you. I hope you benefit. If you have any questions or comment, leave it in the comment section below. And if you like the video, hit it, give it a like. If you don't, dislike it, but nobody's gonna see it because Amazon, YouTube changed their algorithm again and changed their policy of with a dislike. But anyways, I'll take it. Anyways, take care, and I'll see you the next time.